Alright, so good day everyone. Today, in this video, we will be discussing about the buoyancy, or the topic under buoyancy under the hydraulics. But this problem is taken from the Seaboard November 2022 and under the hydraulics and geotechnical engineering. But for this specific topic about the buoyancy, is makikita natin itong buoyancy or nadidiscuss natin itong buoyancy doon sa hydraulics or sa fluid mechanics. Okay, so without further ado, puntahan natin yung problem. Okay, so an iceberg floats in a water with a volume of 600 cubic meter above the water surface. The specific gravity of the iceberg is 0.917 and that of salt water is 1.03. Evaluate the volume of the ice. So, ibig sabihin, lumilitaw yung iceberg dito sa ating salt water. Okay, so, yung iceberg, yung ice natin, is meron tayong specific gravity na 0.917. Of course, lilitaw siya kasi mas magaan yung specific gravity niya kaysa doon sa salt water na 1.03. Okay, pag hindi binigay sa problem yung specific gravity ng water, pero pag sinabi lang doon na salt water, understood na yan na 1.03 because the specific gravity of the salt water is 1.03. Okay? Pag hindi binigay yung number or yung given value ng 1.03, pero sinabi naman doon sa problem na salt water, understood na yan na 1.03 yung gagamitin natin. Kasi meron din salt water na binibigay dyan is 1.02, 1.04. Pag specific na binigay. Dito kasi is specific na binigay is 1.04. Okay? So, dito naman is the iceberg. Ano ba yung tinutukoy na volume dito na 600? Yung tinutukoy dyan na volume 600 cubic meter is ito yun. Yung nakalitaw. Yung nakalitaw na iceberg. Kasi the iceberg float in a water with a volume of above the water surface. So, yan yung tinutukoy niya. So, given naman tayo dyan ng specific gravity ng ice at saka specific gravity ng water. Okay? So, how will we compute this one? Evaluate the volume of the ice. Ibig sabihin, the total volume nito. Pati yan. So, ibig sabihin is, kung meron na tayong volume nito, is compute na lang natin yung volume nito. Ang tawag natin dyan, sa nakalubog na yan, that is the volume of the draft. Volume of draft. Ito naman is the volume exposed. Okay? So, paano natin solve yan? By the formula, we have the volume of the draft. Yung volume of the draft na tinatawag is yung nakalubog na volume. That is the volume of the draft is equal to the volume or the total volume multiplied by the specific gravity of the body or the object, which is our object is the iceberg, and over the specific gravity of the liquid. So, dito kasi specific gravity natin is water. Yung iba kasi minsan is nilalagay dito oil or kerosene. Depende sa type ng liquid. Kaya dito is generalize dito na liquid yung gamitin natin. Okay? So, dito, we have the volume exposed. So, from this portion, that is the volume exposed. Kaya sabi natin na i-denote natin as V sub E. And then we have the volume of the draft. Yung basang volume, yung nakalubog. Okay, so we have here also the total volume. So, ibig sabihin that the volume total is equal to the VE, the volume exposed, plus the volume of the draft. Okay? So, Sabihin natin that the volume of the draft is equal to the volume total minus volume exposed. Para makuha lang natin ito, volume of the draft, tapos substitute natin dito yung volume of the draft. Mangyayari dito is the volume of the draft is equal to volume total times the SG of the body, or the specific gravity of the body over the specific gravity of the liquid. And then, we have the VT and the VE. Okay? So, yun yung nangyari sa ating equation. Ang hinahanap natin dito is the total volume, the total volume. Actually, pag i-manipulate mo to doon, is medyo mahihirapan ka din kasi kung hanapin mo volume total, okay naman to, walang problema given ka nitong VE na 600 cubic meter. Kaya lang, babalik at babalik ka pa din sa formula kasi volume total, volume of the drop, volume total. So, pabalik-balik ka lang. So, ganito yung gawin natin. Ilaro muna natin yung mga formulas into equations. Okay, so ganito yung gawin natin. Volume total is equal to, ganito na siya. Okay, since our VE, lipat natin itong VE sa kabila. Ay lipat natin doon, tapos ito ilipat natin naman dito. So, yung matitira dito is VT, or the volume total, minus the volume total times is SG of the body and SG of the liquid. Okay, so magiging negative ito, magiging positive yung VE natin pag nilipat doon. Okay, so combine natin yung VT. VT is equal to, yung VT natin is magiging ganito na yung equation natin. V total is equal to 1 minus SG of the body over SG of the liquid. So, yun ang mangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Tapos, since hinahanap natin yung volume total, ilagay natin to doon. Ito, ilagay natin dito sa V. So, yung mangyayari is, volume total is equal to the volume exposed over 1 minus the specific gravity of the body over the specific gravity of the liquid. Ayun. So, masasolve na natin yung problem natin sa volume total. That our volume total, okay, naulit lang So, ibig sabihin is, yung VE natin, that is 600 siya, di ba? Tapos, 1 minus the volume, the specific gravity of the body over the specific gravity of the liquid. Okay, so we have 5,469.03 cubic meter. So, yun yung ice bridge natin. So, based on our illustration, of course, mas malaki nga talaga yung ating magiging volume of the draft kasi dito is 600 lang yung ating volume submerged. As volume of the exposed. 600 lang yung volume exposed natin, and the volume submerged or the volume of the draft is mas malaki siya. Diba? So, tama yung ating analysis sa ating problem na ito. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope na may nakuha kayo dito sa ating problem na ito. So, dito lang, i-manipulate lang natin yung ating mga formulas.